Welcome back, everybody, for another video. It is November 30th, 12:45 p.m. here in the Pacific. There are 15 minutes before the market closes. We are going to be discussing the top 2 or 3 stocks that I'm watching for tomorrow and possibly, of course, the rest of the week. But before we get in this video, guys, make sure you guys leave a big like on the video. It helps out the videos. More free content for you guys. Free as well is our chat room, which is the first thing down below. And let's get right into it. So Alibaba, there's threats on it getting delisted, hence the gap down. Hence, we're headed into lows as we speak, headed into the market close. We bought 5 shares in the market open, and I immediately just took my loss as it kept selling. It just kept dropping, and I'm glad I sold because we're headed into lows. I'm leaning towards a buy on this one before the end of the video. I possibly will just buy 5 shares right now. Let's go ahead and just send that right now. Here we go. And we got filled in at 263.41. So we're just gonna hold these 5 shares overnight, see what happens. Let's at least expect the bounce to the resistance here at 266. If not, we cut our loss. If we go on the 15-minute chart, or let's go on the 1 hour, let's see the next level of support. It's possibly going to be down here in the 260s, which by then I'd probably just cut my loss. So that is that. Apple's another one that had a huge rally today. I believe in our last video we said that it was going to come up and it would test the 120s, and it did, and we just did not ride this one. Tesla, we day traded this one like always. For me, this one's always been a day trade, and I just kept buying the pullbacks. And that's it. I missed this pullback down here to 554. I was already out and about, but I'm definitely watching Tesla retest that $600 mark, which it did break out and it hit 607. Our estimate was 610 as soon as it broke out, so we were not that far off. These whole numbers play a huge a role in deciding the momentum of the tickers. We were last week, I think we said it was going to hit 600 by the end of the week, and we were super close as well. So even a dip down to the 550s, which again, that's my support level, I think Tesla should hold. And today we almost tested the 550 level. So it's either we come down to 550 and bounce from there, possibly a good potential dip buy, or we retest at 600 and you could scalp it around the 594 area and wait for another breakout toward 600. Now for my winner today, which was my favorite, but as you guys know, I sold this one at market open. We were just waiting on Sndl. This is my favorite call because you guys made money on this one. The majority of people in our chat traded this one. Shout out to, where is he, Free Thinker. I know you guys are holding some of your shares as well. Parker, long term, he's waiting for 10 profit target. So this price target, actually, this move here to 86, 87 or 70s doesn't really phase him. I know he's holding very long term. I think he said it's 200,000 at an average price of 27, and he has other investments here with CGC, TLRY, and Sndl, of course. Free Thinker as well. He's holding some other plays. Let me see, right around here. So those are his plays as well. He's holding. And guys, I even said this morning, I think I was gonna rebuy. Looking to rebuy at 630 right when the market opened. I took profits, and this was my opportunity to buy here at 46, which would have been perfect, and before I had this run to 86. So what am I watching next? You guys know, as I said, the whole numbers are next. What's the next whole number? $1. So keep $1 on watch. Sndl is going to be hot this week, in my opinion. It's up 93% right now. So if I were you guys, I'd probably just lock in some of those profits. I know there's somebody else that left a comment on one of these videos saying they had 190k shares right around the 20s average. I'm assuming was their average. So right now I'd be trimming those profits. As you guys know, I always take profits, and the stock just skyrockets right after. So I'll probably be looking to get back in. If we have another dip to 50s, I'll buy some more. But other than that, xpev, another one that's pulling back that I'm waiting for it to crack down and break down under 55, and I'd like to get in right around the 50s, which you see this trend line here on the 4 hour. That's the trend line we have here on the 4 hour. So possibly there. And Baba's probably gonna be my only play that I have right now going on. So other than that, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another trading day. Thank you.